So we have a question over here. Question says find out the acceleration of the block and the contact force between the 2 and 3 kilogram. So first of all, I'm considering this entire as 5 kg. 2 plus 3, 5 kg. And it's going down with acceleration A. So this is what actually G sine 37. This is 5G. Oh, sorry. This is 5G sine 37. And this is 37 as well. So this becomes 5G cos 37. And this is normal. So normal balance is what? Normal balance is this 5G cos 37. And the acceleration is 5G sine 37. A is equal to force by mass. Mass is 5. So the value of acceleration is G sine 37. So what is sine 37? I'm calling this as 53, 3, 4, 5. Sine 37 is 3 perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So acceleration will be 3G by 5 meter per second square. Either you can leave it till here or you can solve one more step. 3 by 5 into 10. So acceleration is coming out to be 6 meter per second square. That is acceleration basically. Um, Now let's try to calculate the contact force between these two, 2 and 3 kilogram block. Okay, this is 2 kg, this is 3 kg. One thing is common that they are moving down with accelerating downwards with 6 meter per second square. Now we can say that if I'll talk about the 3 kilogram block, 3 kg block, so on 3 kg block we can say 3G is acting downward. Okay, this is what? This is 37. This is 3G sine 37, sorry, cos 37, and this is 3G sine 37. This is acceleration A, and normal is acting like this. That is the contact force. I'm calling this as n dash, not normal, because we have already mentioned the normal as n. Okay, so this is n dash. So now let's make a equation and just try to solve the value of n dash. So we can write 3G sine 37, 3G sine 37 minus n dash is equal to mass into acceleration, so that will be 3 into A. Okay, so now let's try to solve the value of n dash. That will be 3G sine 37. Again sine 37 will be 3 by 5 minus 3 of A. What is A? A is 3G by 5. Okay, so this comes out to be, normal is coming out to be how much? 3 into 3G by 5, 3 into 3G by 5. So normal is coming out to be 0. And let's try to solve from the perspective of 2 kg block. So n dash is acting this way, and 2G sine 37 is acting this way, and A dash is acting, simply A is acting downward. So I can write this as n dash plus 2G sine 37 is 3 by 5 is equal to mass into acceleration is 3G by 5. So again that will be n dash will be 0. Hope this answered your question. Thank you very much.